Good morning, kids. Today we're going to have place value made simple, and we're going to work with our quick hundreds, quick tens, and quick ones. Our objective today is to write a 3-digit number using quick hundreds, tens, and ones. Let's review before we get started. A quick hundred looks like this. A quick 10 looks like this. And a quick 1 looks like this. Are you ready? Watch me as I take a 3-digit number and write it using quick hundreds, tens, and ones. My number is 264. First, I look at the number in the hundreds place. It's a 2, so I make 2 quick hundreds. Next, I look at the number in the tens place. It's a 6, so I add 6 quick tens. Last, I look at the number in the ones place. It's a 4, so I add 4 quick ones. All right, it's your turn to try it with me. Get out your whiteboard and your markers. All right, first we're going to look at the number in the hundreds place. It's a 3, so we're going to make 3 quick hundreds. Next, we're going to look at the number in the tens place. It's a 1, so we're going to add 1 quick 1. Quick 10. Last, we look at the number in the ones place. It's a 7, so we add 7 quick ones. All right, are you ready? Erase that. And now it's your turn to try it on your own. First, you're going to look at the number in the hundreds place. Make that many quick hundreds. Next, look at the number in the tens place. Make that many quick tens. Last, look at the number in the ones place. Make that many quick ones. Are you ready to check your work? Does your whiteboard look like this? You should have 4 hundreds, 8 tens, and 8 ones. If it does, you've got it. And if it doesn't, go back and watch this again. Thanks, kids.